In the last class, I have learned first question of exercise 1.1. Today I will continue that. Question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as a relation R is equal to set of order AB such that A is less than or equal to B square. Is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. We have to show the relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. Okay. First we have to write the relation R is equal to set of order AB such that A is less than or equal to B square. What we show here, relation is neither reflexive. First one is relation is neither reflexive. Neither reflexive means order A is not belongs to relation R. Okay. They only given relation is not a reflexive. So we have to give a counter example for that. That is not satisfying the reflexivity condition. We have to give a one example. That example is not satisfying reflexive condition. Don't do generally this one. Okay? If you solve this generally, we will get 0 marks. Okay? So first, see here. Ordered pair 1 by 2, 1 by 2. I'll take the ordered pair 1 by 2, 1 by 2 belongs to R or not. We have to check these elements. These ordered pair is belongs to R or not. See here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Apply to this relation. So A value is 1 by 2 and B value is also 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. Is it true? 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 4? Now that 1 by 2 value is 0.5 and 1 by 4 value is 0.25. This is 0.5 and this is 0.25. Is 0.5 is less than or equal to 0.25? No, right? That's why 0.5 does not less than 0.25. Here 1 by 2 not less than or equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 not less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Therefore, not less than or equal to means does not belongs to R. Ordered pair 1 by 2, 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. Okay. If we take ordered pair 1, 1, 1, belongs to R. See here, 1, 1 belongs to R means relation is 1 is less than or equal to 1. 1 square is 1. Okay, is it true? But we didn't take this element. Yake? No, avare kottiyalla neither reflexive anta. So yadu reflexive agavo aa elements na maatra navu tagolbeku. Agove reflexive condition na satisfy ಮಾಡಾದ elements na tagondre that is wrong. Okay? So 1 by 1, 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Ordered pair 1 by 2, 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay. For second one, symmetry. First we have to take ordered pair AB belongs to R. Then we show BA does not belongs to R. Okay. First we have to take an element ordered pair 1, ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R. This satisfying condition A is less than or equal to B square. A is less than or equal to B square condition satisfy ಮಾಡಾದ example ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So 1, 2 belongs to R means 1 is less than or equal to 2 square. 1 is less than or equal to 2 square. This implies 1 is less than or equal to 4. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ordered pair 2, 1 belongs to R. See here. 2, 1 belongs to R means relation is 2 is less than or equal to 1. 1 square is 1. Is it true? 2 is less than or equal to 1, right? No, right? That's why 2 does not less than or equal to 2 not less than or equal to 1. This implies 2, 1 does not belongs to R. First we have to take 1, 2 belongs to R. Then we prove 2, 1 does not belongs to R. This implies ordered pair relation R is not symmetric. Relation R is not symmetric. And third one, transitive. For transitivity, we have to take two ordered pairs which satisfy the condition A is less than or equal to B square. First, we have taken ordered pair 1 C here. First, now A comma B belongs to R. Next, B comma C belongs to R. Together, A prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Ordered pair AC does not belongs to R ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so first ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರು ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to take order pair 2, -2. 2, -2 belongs to R and -2, in next element ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ -2 ಇಂದಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. -2, 1 -2, -1 belongs to R. 2, -2 belongs to R means relation A is less than or equal to B square, that is 2 is less than or equal to -2 whole square. 2 is less than or equal to -2 whole square means 4. 2 is less than or equal to 4. It is 2. Okay. -2, -1 belongs to 1 means -2 is less than or equal to -1 whole square. -1 whole square means +1. -2 is less than or equal to 1. It is also 2. Okay. What we check here? We have to check order pair 2, -1 belongs to R or not. Obviously, this does not belongs to R because they only given relation R is not transitive. Okay. So order pair 2, -1 does not belongs to R. This implies 2 is updated this relation. 2 is less than or equal to -1 whole square. 2 is less than or equal to -1 whole square means +1. Is it true? 2 is less than or equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So 2 not less than or equal to 1. 2 is not less than or equal to -1 whole square. Therefore 2, -1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Okay, what we show here? Relation R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. Artha aitalva? Okay. And the next question is, and the third question is, check whether the relation are defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to set of ordered pair A, B such that B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. You have to check the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. Solution. Relation R is equal to what the given set of ordered pair A, B such that B is equal to A plus 1. B is equal to A plus 1. For all A and B are belongs to the set A, and set A is equal to set what they given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Natural numbers 1 to 6. Okay. Ordered pair AB, elements AB belongs to the set A only. First, the relation is B is equal to A plus 1. B is equal to A plus 1. A is the first element and B is the second element. First we have to put the elements 1 to the A. Okay. A is equal to 1, then B is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Next A is equal to 4. B value is 4 plus 1 is 5. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. A is equal to 6. Then B is equal to 7. Okay. And the order pair is 1, 2. Here 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ನ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? A 6 ಇದೆ. 6 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 ಸೆಟ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So our order pairs of the relation R is equal to order pair 1, 2, order pair 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Here Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. And the third one, transitivity. For transitivity, take any two ordered pair, second ordered pair starting with the second element of the first ordered pair. That is 1, 2 and 2, 3. This is AB, this is BC. Okay, 1, 2 belongs to R. Ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R, and ordered pair 2, 3 belongs to R. We have to check first and last element belongs to R or not. Is there 1, 3 here? No, right? This implies ordered pair 1, 3 does not belongs to R, not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. For the given relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric and not transitive. Is it clear? Okay. And the next question is, see here, show that the relation R in capital R. That means this is a relation, this is a real number. Okay. Show that the relation R in R defined as R is equal to set for order pair A, B such that A is less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not a symmetric. Okay. First, the given relation is R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A is less than or equal to B. Our condition is A is less than or equal to. Okay. For reflexive, see, ordered pair AA obviously belongs to R. Ordered pair AA belongs to R because here A is less than or equal to A. Here equal also given. Okay, so A is equal to A. Ordered pair AA belongs to R. This implies A is less than or equal to A. Therefore, R is reflexive. The condition is satisfied. There is a reflexive. Okay, and the second one is symmetry. The given relation is not symmetric. Not symmetric ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? See here, I have taken any ordered pair 1, 2. This is satisfying this relation. 1, 2 belongs to R. This implies 1 is less than or equal to 2. 1 is less than or equal to 2. This is satisfying this ordered pair, satisfying the relation A is less than or equal to B. Okay, we have to check this reverse. 2, 1 belongs to R and that. Obviously, this is not belongs to R because they only given not symmetric. Okay, so ordered pair 2, 1 does not belongs to R. This implies condition is A is less than or equal to B. That is 2 is less than or equal to 1. Is it true? Not right. 2 not less than or equal to 1. Therefore, 2, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. And the third condition is transitivity. First, see here. This is obviously transitive because we have only given the given relation is transitive. So, ಇದನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. और पॉजिटिविटी ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ that means neither reflexive nor transitive nor symmetric ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Ordered pair AB belongs to R and ordered pair BC belongs to R. Okay? See here, AB belongs to R means A is less than or equal to B and BC belongs to R means B is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C. Obviously, A is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to C. Okay? A is less than or equal to C. ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ AC belongs to R. First we have to take AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Then we put AC belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. R is transitive. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, comma 4 belongs to R. Okay, 1 2 belongs to R means 1 is less than or equal to 2 and 2 4 belongs to 4 means 2 is less than or equal to 4. Obviously, first element and last element 1 is less than or equal to 4. This is also proved. So 1 comma 4 belongs to R. Example in value beda explain the sum. Is it clear? Go on to the next question. See next one. Check whether the relation R in R defined by R is equal to set up an order by A is such that A is less than or equal to BQ is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, we have to check whether it is a reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Solution: relation R is equal to set up ordered by AB such that A is less than or equal to PQ. A is less than or equal to PQ. Okay. First reflexive. For reflexive, we have to take an element 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 belongs to R. Okay. This implies 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 applied to this relation, that is A value is 1 by 2 less than or equal to B value is also 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube. This implies 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, that is 1 by 8. Is it true? 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 8 because 1 by 2 value is 0.5 and 1 by 8 value is 0.1 something. Is it true? No, right? So 0.5 is not less than or equal to 0.1, that is 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 8, 1 by 2 not less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. Not less than or equal to means does not belongs to R. Okay, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 1 1 ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 is less than or equal to 1 cube 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 2 ಕಾಮ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರದೇ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 1 by 2 1 by 2 not belongs to because 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 8. Okay, therefore R is not reflexive and symmetric. For symmetric, I am taking ordered by 1 comma 2 belongs to R with satisfying condition A is less than or equal to PQ. This implies 1 is less than or equal to 2Q. That means 1 is less than or equal to 2Q is 8. Okay, this is good. Its reverse also belongs to R. You have to check that. Ordered by 2 comma 1 does not belong to R obviously because 2 is not less than or equal to 1 cube. 2 is not less than or equal to 1 cube. Ordered by 1 2 belongs to R. We proved 2 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Okay. And the third condition, transitive. For transitive, we have two ordered pairs satisfying the 2A is less than or equal to BQ. First, I am taking ordered pair 9 3 belongs to R and 3 2 belongs to R. 9 3 belongs to R and 3 2 belongs to R. Is satisfying the relation 9 is less than or equal to 3Q and here 3 is less than or equal to 2Q. 9 is less than or equal to 3Q means 9 is less than or equal to 3Q is 27 and 2Q is 8. 9 is less than or equal to 27 and 3 is less than or equal to 8. These are good. Okay. We have to check the elements 9 and 2 belongs to R or not. See here. 9 comma 2 belongs to R. 9 comma 2 belongs to R. We have to check this. Not belongs to. Okay. See here. 9 is less than or equal to 2Q. Is it true? No, right? Because 9 is less than or equal to 2Q is 8. Is it true? to not. 9 not less than or equal to 8. Okay, so 9 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Understood? Transitive ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Is it clear? Okay. And the sixth question is, show that the relation R in the set A is equal to 1 2 3 given by R is equal to 1 2 2 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay? So we have to show that the relation is neither reflexive nor transitive but it is symmetric. For this question, the set A is equal to the elements 1, 2 and 3 and relation R is equal to order pair 1, 2 and 2, 1. For reflexive, we have to check elements. For elements 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2 belongs to R or not. Here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R. No, right? That's why order pair 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. And symmetric. For symmetric, observe the relation here. Order pair 1, 2 belongs to R and its reverse 2, 1 belongs to R. That is order pair 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 is also belongs to R. Its reverse 2, 1 is also belongs to R. R know that implies. Okay. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. For transitive, observe here. Order K 1, 2 belongs to R and 1, 2 belongs to R and order P 2, 1 belongs to R. Order P 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. But first and last elements is here. Order P 1, 1 belongs to R, not right. Order P 1, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Is it clear? Move on to the next question. Show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by R is equal to set of all ordered by X, Y such that X and Y have same number of pages. X and Y have same number of pages. Show that the relation is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. For reflexive, I am taking order pair X, X belongs to R. X, X belongs to R means X and X have same number of pages. See, this is a one book. Okay, here X element in the page number 10. Okay, X 10 pages ittu antidire. Ade X 10 pages iruttalla. So order pair X, X belongs to R aguttalla. So this implies X and X. X and X means both are same. Have same number of pages. Same number of pages. Condition na satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? X ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ X, X belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. R is reflexive. The second one is symmetric. For the symmetric, take it to one ordered pair X, Y belongs to R. X, Y belongs to R means condition is this implies x and y have the same number of pages. Same number of pages. Answer here. X and y belongs to this page and its reverse. Y and x is also present in this page only, right? That's why y and x, its reverse y and x have same number of pages. Its reverse also true. This implies order tree y comma x belongs to R. Y comma x belongs to R means R is therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. And the third one is transitive. For transitive, I am taking two ordered pairs x comma y belongs to R and y comma another element z belongs to R. X comma y belongs to R means relation is x and this implies x and y have same number of pages. Same number of pages. And y comma z belongs to R means y and z have same number of pages. Same number of pages. See here, x and y have same number of pages. That means x and y present in page number 20. And y and z belongs to always y ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ z ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y 20 ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇಜ್ z. This is also present in page number 20. Okay, obviously x and z have the same number of pages, that is 20. Okay, this implies x and z have the same number of pages. X and z have the same number of pages. Same number of pages. X and z satisfying the condition. This implies x comma z belongs to R. First, if later xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R, then we prove xz belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. R is transitive. The relation R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Therefore, hence R is equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. Understood? Move on to the next question. See here. Given question is show that the relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to order by AB such that modulus of A minus B is given. Is an equivalence relation. This is first part of our question. Okay now? See here, our set A is equal to elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the relation R is equal to set up for order with AB such that modulus of A minus B is given. Modulus of A minus B is given. Okay? Then how to show that given relation is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means reflexive, satisfying symmetric as well as transitive. Okay? For the reflexive, we have taken an element A. Let small letter A belongs to the set A. Okay? Small letter A belongs to the set A. A means 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Take any elements of this set. Generally we have take A belongs to A. For the reflexive we have to check A comma A belongs to order not. Obviously A comma A belongs to because modulus of A minus A which is equal to 0. Substitute A comma A, substitute here A minus A. A minus A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 0 is always even number. We proved A minus A ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So modulus of a minus a is equal to 0 is even. Therefore order pair a comma a belongs to R. A belongs to R means R is reflexive. R is reflexive. R is reflexive. For symmetric, we have take two order, one order pair, that is order pair a comma b. Order pair a comma b belongs to R. Order pair a comma b belongs to R. For all a and b are belongs to set A. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. For all a and b belongs to the set A. AB belongs to R means our relation modulus of a minus b is even. Modulus of a minus b is even. This is even. We have to prove order pair BA belongs to R. Okay. Modulus of AB a minus b is even means modulus of negative number is also positive, that is also even. Modulus of a minus of a minus b is also even. Is also even. Okay, clear. For example, a minus b 2 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Modulus of 2 is even ಅಂದ್ರೆ modulus of minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is also even number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, minus of that number is also even. This implies minus ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Modulus of b minus a. Modulus of b minus a is also even. Just ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Modulus of b minus a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Modulus of b minus a is even ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? order pair BA belongs to R. AB belongs to R. This implies BA belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. And the third one is transitive. First we have to take two ordered pairs. AB belongs to R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. This implies AB belongs to R means modulus of A minus B is even. BC belongs to R means modulus of B minus C is even. Modulus of A minus B is even and modulus of B minus C is even. Then addition of two even numbers is also even numbers. That is addition of A minus B and modulus of B minus C is also 1. That is modulus of A minus B plus B minus C is also 1. Okay. This implies here minus K and plus B get cancelled and the remaining is modulus of A minus C is even. Modulus of A minus C is even. Modulus of A minus B even ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ AB. Modulus of A minus C even ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ this implies order pair AC belongs to R. First we had the AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. Then we put AC belongs to R. AC belongs to R means therefore R is transitive. Therefore R is transitive. See here, R is a reflexive, symmetric and R is transitive. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. Therefore at last, hence R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Is it clear? This is first part of our question. And the second part is show that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all the elements of 2, 4 are related to each other. But no 3 and 5. Second part, 1, 3, 5. Observe. 1, 3, 5 elements are odd numbers. Okay. The elements of 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. Right? So, the subtraction of modulus of this function is a even number. See here, 1 minus 3. Modulus of 1 minus 3. What we get? Modulus of minus 2. Minus 2 means modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. Plus 2 is a even number. Take any other two elements. 3 and 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 2. Plus 2 is a even number. Take any two elements of this set and apply the modulus of difference of those numbers. Then we get the even numbers. That means the difference of first of the modulus of difference of any element of this set is even. The modulus of difference of any two elements of this set is even. Therefore it is a 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Therefore elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Okay. For the second set, 2 and 4. Observe here the elements of 2 and 4. The elements of the set 2, 4 are even numbers. Right? Those elements of 2 and 4 are even numbers. The modulus of difference of any two numbers of this set is even. See here, elements 2 and 4. Take 2 and 4. 2 minus modulus of 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Modulus is plus 2. Okay, so this is a even number. Take 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That is also even number. That means modulus of difference of any two numbers of this set is even number. The main 2 might be even number. Modulus of a minus b even number to 2 might be. So 2 and 4 are related to each other. Therefore 2 and 4 are related to each other. Sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? The elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other, and here also the elements of 2 and 4 are related to each other. Okay, and the next question is that no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 is related ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದೆ ಎರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus modulus ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, which is equal to minus modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? even number. So the law depends on subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So odd number ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2 and 4. So I am writing like this. The elements of difference of any element of 135 with any element of 2 and 4 is odd. Odd number ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Therefore 135 are no element. Therefore no element of 135 is related to any element of 2 and 4. Set to 4. Is it clear? Now move on to the next question. And the ninth question is, show that each of the relation R in the set A is equal to set of X belongs to Z such that X lies between 0 and 12, including 0 and including 12. Okay? And the relation R is given by set of ordered pair A, B such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. And the second one is R is equal to set of ordered pair A, B such that A is equal to B. We have to show that these two relations are a equivalence relation. Also we find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Set of all elements related to element 1 in the first question and second question. Okay, so see here the given relation. Before that, the given set A is equal to set of all elements X belongs to Z. What are the elements 0 to 12? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is our set A. And for the first question, R is equal to set of all ordered pair A, B such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Is multiple of 4. Okay, this is the relation, given relation. What they given here? Modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Where A and B are any two elements belongs to the set A. Okay? And this for reflexive. First what we have to take this for reflexive. See here, set of all order pair. Before that, for all A belongs to A, take any element in the set A. Any element small letter A in the set A. Okay? Observe here. What is modulus of A minus A? Modulus of A minus A, which is equal to 0. A minus A means 0. Modulus of 0 is 0. Obviously 0 is a multiple of any number, right? That's why 0 is a multiple of 4. 0 is multiple of 4. What is shown here? A minus A is a multiple of 4. Okay, given relation A minus A is a multiple of 4 means, observe here, A minus B is AB. Modulus of A minus A is ordered pair A, Ordered pair A, belongs to R. Okay, A, belongs to R means given relation R is reflexive. Understand? Okay. Now go on to the symmetric condition. What is symmetric? Ordered pair AB belongs to relation R. First we have to take ordered pair A, B belongs to relation R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R means given condition is modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Okay. What we put here? It's reverse. B, A. B comma A means A, B minus A, modulus of B minus A is a multiple of 4. Okay, so observe here, A minus B is multiple of 4, then modulus of negative number is also positive. This is also multiple of 4. A minus B, modulus of minus of A minus B, what we get? Modulus of A minus B. That is, modulus of negative number is a positive. So, modulus of minus of A minus B is also multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay. Then, observe here. If you multiply minus to A minus B, what we get? Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Plus B minus A. That is B minus A is also multiple of 4. Is also multiple of 4. Okay. Then ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. First A comma B belongs to all the symmetric definition ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. So A comma B belongs to all the condition ಏನು? Modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay na? So modulus of A minus B multiple of 4 ಅದರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Modulus of negative number is also positive. Same ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So is also multiple of 4. Same ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B minus A. Modulus of B minus A is a multiple of 4. Okay. A minus B means A comma B belongs to R. And then B minus A, what we get? Ordered pair B comma A belongs to R. We proved B comma A belongs to its reverse. That's why given relation R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Now move on to the third one, transitive. For transitive, we have take two ordered pairs, that is ordered pair AB belongs to observe. This is for this the elements A and B are belongs to the set A only. So that's why we have to write ordered elements AB belongs to set A. Here ordered pair AB belongs to R and ordered pair BC belongs to R. For all the elements A, B and C are belongs to the set A. Okay. For all element A, B, C belongs to set A. Ordered pair AB belongs to R. That means modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay. And ordered pair BC belongs to R. Nothing but modulus of B minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Okay. So observe here. Modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. Modulus of B minus C is also multiple of 4. Then the addition of these two numbers is also multiple of 4. This implies addition of these two numbers, that is modulus of A minus B plus B minus C. Addition of these two numbers is also multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Understood? So observe here, minus B plus B get cancelled and the remaining elements are modulus of A minus C is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. So what we get? First we have to take AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. Then we proved ordered pair A and C. A minus C means ordered pair A comma C belongs to R. Hence R is transitive. Hence R is transitive. Okay. Hence the given relation is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Then we have to say that given relation is an equivalence relation. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. Okay. Now hence R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Okay. Then the addition of this question is the set of all elements related to 1. Set of all elements related to 1. Set of all elements related to 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಗೆ 1 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ set of all elements related to 1 is ಯಾವುದು observe here. For this element 1 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 is related to 1. 1 minus 1, modulus of 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is a multiple of 4. That's why 1 is related to 1. Okay, next 1 is related to 5 also, because 1 minus 5, modulus of 1 minus 5 is modulus of minus 4. This implies plus 4. Plus 4 is a multiple of 4 only. That's why 1 is related to 5. Okay, next 1 is related to 9 also. Why? 1 minus 9, modulus of 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Modulus of minus 8, this implies plus 8. Plus 8 is a multiple of 4. Okay, so ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇದಾಗಿದೆ 1 ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 1, 5 and 9. Understood? So set of all elements related to 1 is 1, 5 and 9. Is it clear? Okay. Now move on to the second question. What the relation is here? R is equal to set of all ordered pair A, B such that A is equal to B. Okay. So A is equal to B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ವಾ? First now reflexivity. For reflexive, element A belongs to the set A. Let A belongs to set A. Okay. So obviously A is equal to A. A is always equal to A. A and A are same. So this satisfying this condition. A is equal to A. A is equal to B and ordered pair AB. A is equal to A means ordered pair AA. AA belongs to R. Ordered pair AA belongs to R means R is reflexive. Clear? And the second one is for symmetric. First we have to take ordered pair AB belongs to the set relation R. For all, here right, let for all elements A, B belongs to the set A only. Okay, so AB belongs to all. What the condition is here? A is equal to B. Okay, if A is equal to B, then obviously B is equal to A. A is equal to B means B is equal to A. Okay, so AB belongs to R. That means A is equal to B. B is equal to A means ordered pair B, A belongs to R. So AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R means R is symmetric. Okay. Now third one is transitive. Comes to the transitive point. Okay, transitivity. First we have to take ordered pair A, B belongs to R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R, and ordered pair BC belongs to R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. For all the elements A, B, C belongs to the set A. Okay, don't forget this. For all the elements A, B, C belongs to the set A. AB belongs to R means condition is A is equal to B. Okay, and BC belongs to R means B is equal to C. Observe here, the element A is equal to B. B is equal to C. Then what we do here? A is equal to C. Obviously, the value A is equal to C. Observe here, B belongs to relation R. Okay, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then we include AC belongs to R. Therefore, the given relation R is transitive. R is transitive. Okay, so therefore R is transitive. Hence, the relation R is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Hence R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Okay. Then the addition of this question is find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Alva? Set of all elements related to 1. 1 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A is equal to B. A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1. ಅಥವಾ 1 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? 1 ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the set of all elements related to 1 is set 1 only. Set 1. Understand? Now move on to the next question. Next question is give an example of a relation which is in the first one, which is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. We have to give an example for the relation is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, so first I am taking the set A. Let A is equal to taking the elements 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the relation R is defined. Relation R is defined on the set A. Defined on the set A. On the set A is as like this. R is equal to the given relation is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. We have to give an example that is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, so I am taking the relation R in the set A only. Okay, what we write here? That is symmetric. So I am taking the order plane 1, 2. Symmetric means its reverse also belongs to the R. Okay, its reverse that is 2, 1. Clear? It's a symmetric. 1, 2 belongs to R, its reverse 2, 1 belongs to R. For all the elements 1 and 2 belongs to the set A. This is an example for the symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Clear? Observe. This is not a reflexive. Why it is not reflexive? For the reflexive, we have to show elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R. But is here? No, right? That's why this is not reflexive. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 that does not belong to the set R. That's why this is not reflexive. Is it a transitive? This is not transitive because here 1, 2 belongs to the relation R. Next order we starting with the element 2. This 2. 2, 1 belongs to R. But element order pair 1, 1 does not belongs to R. That's why this is not transitive. Hence, the given relation on the set A is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. This is very important question. Question number 10 is very important for 1 mark question. If they ask the given, give an example for symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive for 1 mark. Clear? And the second one, give an example for transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Transitive but neither reflexive, nor transitive, or nor symmetric. Observe. We have to give an example. That example is satisfying the transitive condition, but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Okay. So for this, I am taking direct relation R. R is equal to set of our ordered pair A, B, such that this is a transitive. A is less than B. The relation A is less than B is a good example for transitive, but neither reflexive nor symmetric. It is obviously transitive because observe here. For the transitive, I am taking the ordered pair AB belongs to R and ordered pair BC belongs to R. AB belongs to R means the condition is A is less than B, and BC belongs to R means condition is B is less than C. Okay, what we showed? Transitive means elements A is less than C. Obviously, A is less than B and B is less than C. This implies that A is less than C. A is less than C. Okay, so this is example for transitive. But it is not a reflexive. Why it is not reflexive? Reflexive means what? A is less than A. Ordered pair A, belongs to R. A is less than A. Here A is less than A. No, right? A is equal to A, but not less than A. That's why this example is not a reflexive. Okay. Obviously, this is not symmetric because for the symmetric, ordered pair AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R means A is less than B. But it's reverse to B is less than A. Is it a B is less than A? It's reverse true. No, right? A is less than B again. But A is less than B again meaning B is greater than A, not less than A. That's why B is not less than A. Okay? So this is not a symmetric. If they ask to give an example for transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric, you have to write this relation. Set of one or R is equal to set of one ordered pair AB such that A is less than B. This is enough for this. Okay? And the third question is, give an example for reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Reflexive and transitive. Reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Observe. Sorry. Third one, reflexive, symmetric. This is fourth one. Sorry. And the third one, reflexive. Give an example for reflexive and symmetric. Reflexive and symmetric, but not transitive. Okay, reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. I am taking this set A. Let A is equal to, for reflexive, first we have to take one set, that is A is equal to elements 4, 5, 6. Elements 4, 5 and 6. A relation R is defined. Relation R is defined on the set A. that is reflex is symmetric. Okay, symmetrical ಇದೆ. 4 5 its reverse 5 4 ಇದೆ. 5 6 its reverse 6 5 is here. Okay, this is obviously not a transitive because observe here. Here 4 5 ordered pair is there. This is our AB. Okay, next ordered pair starting with the element 5 only. I am taking this ordered pair. Okay, this is our BC. Then we have to check elements A and C are belongs to our rank. Here 4 comma 6 A and C, that is 4 comma 6 ordered pair 4 6 belongs to the R. Not right. That's why this is not a transitive. Understood? Okay. ಇದೊಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು. Understood? Okay. Now what is fourth one? Reflexive. Give an example for reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. But not symmetric. This is so easy. So I am writing the relation R is equal to set of 4 ordered pair A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B. A is less than or equal to B. Okay. So obviously A is less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, obviously A is less than or equal to A ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? A here given is equal to, so A is equal to A. That's why ordered pair A comma A belongs to R. Belongs to R. A comma A belongs to R means R is a reflexive. Okay. And this is transitive. How it is transitive? Observe. Ordered pair AB belongs to R. Ordered pair AB belongs to R and ordered pair BC belongs to R. I am taking the first AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. AB belongs to R means A is less than or equal to B. BC belongs to R means B is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to B. B is less than or equal to C. B is equal to C also there, right? That's why I am substituting in the place of B. What we get? A is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to C means ordered pair A comma C belongs to R. First we have take AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then we prove AC belongs to R. That's why this is a transitive. This is not a symmetric. Why it is not symmetric? A is less than or equal to B. For the ordered pair AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R. A is, this implies A is less than or equal to B. Its reverse is true? No, because A is less than or equal to B means obviously B is greater than A, not less than A. Okay, that's why B is not less than or equal to A. Not less than or equal to A. Therefore, ordered pair B comma A does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Is it clear? Now move on to the next question. Give an example for symmetric. Give an example for symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Symmetric and transitive. Symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Not reflexive. We have to give an example for symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Okay. For this I am taking the set A. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. Set 1, 2 and 3. And relation R is defined on set A as like this. R is equal to observe here, in a Now I am taking the ordered pair 1 2 and its reverse 2 1. 1 2 its reverse 2 1. So observe here, this is a symmetric. Obviously this is symmetric. For all the elements 1 and 2 all belongs to the set A. Okay, 1 1 belongs to R, 2 2 belongs to R, but 3 ordered with 3 3 does not belongs to R. That's why this is not a reflexive. This is not reflexive. 1 2 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ 2 1 ಇದೆ. So obviously this is symmetric. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ transitive ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 1 this is our AB. So ordered pair 1 1 this is our AB. Next order pair starting with the element 1, that is this is our BC. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. Then we have to check element A and C. 1 and 2 is belongs to R. Here only they write 1 2 belongs to R. Okay. Now go to the next element. This is AB. I am taking ordered pair 2 2 as AB and ordered pair 2 1 this is our BC. Then we have to check A and C, that is 2 1 belongs to R or not. Here only they write. That's why this is also satisfying the condition for transitivity. Okay. Next up. Now move on to the next ordered pair. This is our AB. Okay. This is BC. Then 1 and 2, first element and last element. 1 1 is belongs to R. That's why this ordered pair is also satisfying the transitivity condition. Okay. Now ella elements ಗೆ ella ordered pair ಗೆ transitivity condition ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So this is a best example for reflexive, symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Is it clear? This is very important question for your examination. This is asked by 1 mark. Okay. In the next class we will discuss more problems on exercise 1.1. Clear?